Six States of Matter. Submitted to Encouragement Eduserve. Submitted by Miss Kavya Bhalaik, Class 8th, Loreto Convent Hall, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, India. Matter is anything that is made up of atoms, molecules, and ions. It takes up space and has mass. There are six different states of matter. They are solids, liquids, gases, plasmas, Bose-Einstein condensates, fermionic condensates. Solids. Solid is a state of matter in which the particles are closely packed together. The forces between these particles are so strong that the particles cannot move freely, but can only vibrate. Properties of solids are as follows. They have a fixed volume, they cannot flow, are stable. They possess a tendency to uphold their shape when exposed to external force. They have a definite shape and a definite volume. They are rigid, as their shape can only be changed under great force and pressure. Examples of solid states of matter: gemstones, ice. Liquids. Liquid is a state of matter in which the particles are free to move over each other, but are still attracted to each other. Properties of liquids are as follows. They take the shape of its container. They have a definite volume. They may be compressed while there can be exceptions. They aren't rigid as they do not have any definite shape. Are less dense than solids but more dense than gases. Examples of liquid state of matter: milk, beverages. Gases. Gas is a state of matter in which there is a great deal of empty space between particles which have a lot of kinetic energy. Properties of gases are as follows: has no fixed shape, has no fixed volume, has lower density than solids and liquids, is not rigid, have a definite mass. Examples of gaseous state of matter: helium in balloons, carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. Plasma. Plasma is as a gas that can carry an electrical charge. It is a superheated matter, so hot that the electrons are ripped away from the atoms, forming an ionized gas. It comprises over 99% of the visible universe. Properties of plasma are as follows: it includes ions, electrons, and neutral atoms. It is the most common form of matter, comprising more than 99% of the visible universe. It conducts electricity. It is attracted to magnetic fields. It is significantly unique as its behavior doesn't resemble with any other state of matter. Examples of plasma state of matter: nebulae, aurora boreals. Bose-Einstein condensates. Bose-Einstein condensate is an exotic quantum phenomenon that was observed in dilute atomic gases. It is a state of matter which is typically formed when a gas of bosons at low densities is cooled to temperatures very close to absolute zero. Properties of Bose-Einstein condensate are as follows: it was discovered in the year 1995. Becks have a property known as superfluidity, that is, to flow without interior friction. It behaves as one entity, a superatom. Examples of Bose-Einstein condensates state of matter: superfluid, Cole's liquid helium; superconductor, such as nucleons inside a neutron star. Fermionic condensates. A fermionic condensate or Fermi-Dirac condensate is a superfluid phase formed by fermionic particles at low temperatures. It is closely related to Bose-Einstein condensate, a superfluid phase formed by bosonic atoms under similar conditions. The earliest recognized fermionic condensate described the state of electrons in a superconductor. Properties of fermionic condensate are as follows. The fermionic condensate is a cloud of cold potassium atoms forced into a state where they behave strangely. They probably flow without viscosity. In a fermionic condensate, the atoms are fermions. As this new state of matter was only discovered in the year 2003, there is still a great deal for the scientists to discover more about this state of matter. Summarization. Summary. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The mass of an object is the quantity of matter it contains. States of matter is the physical form in which a substance can exist. Matter can be classified according to its physical and chemical properties. There are 6 states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, plasmas, Bose-Einstein condensates, fermionic condensates. Solid is a state of matter where the substance has a definite shape and a definite volume. Liquid is a state of matter where the particles are free to move and take the shape of its container. Gas is a state of matter where the particles are very far apart from each other and move freely. They have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. Plasma is the state of matter that has a high temperature and are made up of free electrons and ions of the element. Bose-Einstein condensate is a state of matter in which atoms or particles are chilled to such low energies that they condense into a single quantum state. The atoms are bosonic in nature. Fermionic condensate is a state of matter which is a superfluid phase formed by fermionic particles at low temperatures. Thank you.